Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use your microphone, and the best microphone which I am using right now is MAONO PD200X podcast microphone. Now how to do the setting for your OBS? Let's see. First of all, you have to go to the properties and select your microphone, which in my case I am using right now PD200X podcast. Okay, so you just select this one. Now you go to the mic, create a filter. First filter will be noise suppression, then second option will be gain. Don't increase the gain more than 4. Okay, just keep near something between 4 and 5, not more than that. Then go to noise gate. This value will be 46, then minus 30, minus 46, minus 36, then attack time 20 ms, hold time 200 ms, and release time 150 ms. That's enough. Again, you have to do some setting inside this MAONO app. Okay, so MAONO link, you have to open this link and I will show you what settings you have to do. So if you want perfect setting, you can see the gain value. So you have to set up the gain like this. Okay, up to 80, that's good. And you can see all this value. I have set up the tone, deep tone. You can select it according to your, if you want original, you can take original. If you want natural, you can do the natural. It's completely depend on you. It's your choice. Okay, and that's all. You don't need to make more changes. If you want to make more changes, you go to advanced and then keep these settings. Okay, just follow these steps. You can pause the video, and you can see this option, make this option. It will work perfectly fine for your Windows laptop or Windows PC. Thank you for watching.